Hi, dear mom and dad. Discover how to make safe, natural baby hygiene and cleaning products right at home. Simple, gentle, and chemical-free. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with fellow parents. Let's start. Recipe 1. Baby-safe homemade wipes. Ingredients: soft paper towels or cloth wipes, 1 cup distilled water, 1 tablespoon organic coconut oil, 1 tablespoon pure aloe vera gel, 2 drops lavender or chamomile essential oil, optional. How to use: mix all ingredients in a clean jar. Cut paper towels in half, place in a container. Pour the liquid over them, let soak. Use within 1 week, store in a cool place. Recipe 2. Natural baby bath, oatmeal and chamomile. Ingredients: 1/2 cup organic oats, finely ground, 2 tablespoons dried chamomile flowers or 1 tea bag, optional, few drops of lavender oil. How to use: put oats and chamomile in a muslin cloth or sock. Tie it and drop into warm baby bath water. Let soak for 5 to 10 minutes before placing baby inside. Recipe 3. DIY baby laundry, rinse, chemical-free. Ingredients: 1/2 cup white vinegar, 4 drops lavender or tea tree essential oil, optional. How to use: add the mixture to your washing machine's rinse cycle. Acts as a softener and removes residue naturally. Recipe 4. Baby toy and surface cleaner. Ingredients: 1 cup distilled water, 1/2 cup white vinegar, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 5 drops lemon or tea tree oil, optional. How to use: combine all in a spray bottle, watch for fizz. Shake and spray on toys or surfaces. Wipe with a clean cloth. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos. Your feedback means the world to us. Leave a comment and let us know what you think.